Josh Asbill with a positive quote. Today's positive quote is, "Positive thinking is more than just a tagline. It changes the way we behave." And I firmly believe that when I am positive, it not only makes me better, but it also makes those around me better.
Look, kid, bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right?
Right.
Wrong! When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on the world.
When life gets you down, you know what you gotta do?
I don't want to know what you gotta do.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming.
You gotta put your past behind you.
But it still hurts. Oh, yes, the past can hurt. But the way I see it, you can either run from it or learn from it.
Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. But today is a gift. That is why it is called the present.
Your story may not have such a happy beginning, but that doesn't make you who you are.
Oh, hello everybody. Welcome to Monday, and I'm backwards. We switched the seats. It's different than it used to be, but that's good because change is good. Seeing us moving stuff around, we're doing things different. More space to do more cool stuff. That's what we're doing. So, change. Change is good. Monday's positivity, a great time for change. Don't be afraid of change. It can be tough, it can be challenging, but that's okay because good things come from change. Thus, we change things up from time to time. One thing we're not going to change up, but we're going to change up, is the back in the past. It's in a different place. Check out Zach in the back of the past right here.
Hey guys, it's Zach. Happy Monday to you all. I hope you guys are having a great day so far. Yeah, I'm turned sideways in my chair today. If you can see, things are a little different. But hey, we're still going to go back in the bearded past with Zach. So today, video games. Man, video games. You know, I start looking at these video games, I can't believe how many video games are out there. I mean, Japan, Germany, Australia, they release them all over the place. I didn't realize it was this crazy, man. I really didn't. I didn't realize it was this nuts. But we're going to talk about a few of these games, or at least I'll do the best I can to talk about a few of these games that came out on this day, Monday the 22nd, in history here. 2009, Brothers in Arms, Hell's Highway. It's an Ubisoft exclusive release. It was released on the Windows version. It was released in Germany. This game I do know, actually. I know I played the first two. I actually truly enjoyed the first two games. This game I enjoyed just as much. It's kind of was based around the, I don't know how many of you had the opportunity to watch the HBO special at the time, Band of Brothers. It's kind of based around those kind of camaraderie in the war. And it's a World War II game. I personally like it. It's not your straight type shooter game. You know, it's not a button masher. You got to be a little more strategic with your guys. But hey, man, it's fun if you're into that kind of thing. Good story, and like I said, very enjoyable game. Also in 2009, Fallout and Fallout 2 were Steam releases. So that means, you know, they've gone through the process of being out there, and then they released it on Steam. Fallouts, I know, are just a popular game. It's a popular series, and I actually did play some of the very first Fallout, and definitely a great game. I mean, it's a lot of fun. The last game I'm going to hit today is Wolfenstein, Xbox 360. I remember when some of the first Wolfensteins came out, and they were great games then. And the 360 version, I haven't played, actually. That's crazy. I have a 360 at home. I still haven't played the Wolfenstein from 2009. So maybe 13 years later, I'll finally buy it. But no, I'll give it a shot. But the original Wolfenstein games were great. I'm sure it's a franchise that's been around for quite some time. And hey guys, it's Monday. you know what? When you get home, play a video game. All right, guys, take it easy.
All right, very good. See, a little bit different, but good. Change is good. One thing I'm not going to change is doing headlines. Ready? Here we go. Popeye's newest menu item is an instant mood enhancer. It looks really good, unless I make it, in which case it's a kind of a mood downer. Banana cream pie. Salted caramel cookies. Next headline, salted caramel cookie dough bar recipe. Yeah, those look good. If only we had a good baker in the building, someone that could really bake stuff really tasty. I don't want to name any Gabrielle names or nothing, but you know, if anyone wants to step up to the plate and make some tasty salted caramel cookies, I wouldn't complain. Moving on, the finger food that is replacing the chicken sandwich wars. Yeah, not sardines. Chicken nuggets, of course. Yeah, of course. So let's see if the national day is Sardine Day. That'd be cool.
Good morning, everybody. Here I am in my office. You know, everything's changing around here and things are goofy, so I'm just gonna do my own today, and then I'm gonna shoot him over to Ray and he can do his magic. But we are at Monday and we are August 22nd, and today's National Day is, let me get my paper out and see. It is it's National Tooth Fairy Day. Oh, I used to love when I was little. And you'd lose a tooth and you'd put it underneath your pillow and you'd wake up in the morning and magically there'd be some money there. I had friends who got like just a quarter. Some would get $1. I'm a little older, so you know, it depended if it was a big tooth or a little tooth what the tooth fairy left us. I guess everybody has a different tooth fairy. Because like I said, some people got a quarter, some people got $1, some people got 50 cents. I guess it's how generous the tooth fairy was at that day as well. But I thought it was pretty cool. I've had, let's see, 1, 2, I can't count them. I can't remember how many teeth we have. But I had this little red treasure chest. It's little like this. And I put my tooth in that. And then when I'd wake up in the morning, the tooth would be gone out of there. And then there'd be money underneath my pillow. So that would be really, really cool. I've seen so many different pictures of a tooth fairy. I don't know what the tooth fairy looks like because I never saw the tooth fairy. I think it's kind of magical where it just kind of sits at the end of your bed, does a wand and whoosh. But I don't know, I've never seen one. I've just seen the kind on TV and they can look a little different sometimes. So, if you remember back when you lost your teeth and the tooth fairy came, how cool it was. It's just a cool memory for today. Did I tell you what day it was? It's Monday, August the 22nd. Yes, that's the day it is. So, everybody have a great day today on National Tooth Fairy Day.
Okay, that's it for Monday. Hope everyone has a great Monday. Like I said, we're changing up things. We're gonna get some new folks in here, talk about some cool stuff going on and how things are going in the world and life and all that kind of fun stuff. But today is Monday, so Monday, Facebook Live 1 o'clock. We've got Monday Positivity, something cool. Who knows what we'll see right there, so we want to tune into that. Otherwise, have a great Monday, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow, Tuesday, on the Morning Routine. Take care, everybody.